Hi everyone, this is KJ Avenida Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from Don Bell TikTok compilation. So I won't take any longer kasi medyo 2 days din ata or 3 days din naka-upload ng video about Don Bell. Alam kong na-missin nyo guys ang ating mga patili dito at ang mga videos na sinend sa akin ng mga bubblies as well. Thank you so much. Hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa kasi marami talaga ang nagsisend ng video sa akin. So I won't take any longer. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next upload. Without further ado, all you have to do is just sit down, relax, brace yourselves, and let's all watch.
My message naman to your significant other is...
Ay, significant other. Ano to? Bago to ah.
Tips to you is do not annoy Kuya Donnie in the morning. He needs like a good 30 minutes to 1 hour. Because if he doesn't have a reason to be up, he won't be up. So give him a reason to be up. Which I think you being his wife,
that's
enough.
Well, like my significant other, just her presence alone
Just her presence alone
will be the reason to wake up every day.
Oh!
Of course, it's great to start my day when I say good morning to you and end it with saying good night.
Oh my God! Grabe pala ito! I love the edits ah.
He's the first one. I say good morning to and good night to.
Oh my God! Good morning! I love you! May ganun siguro, no? Walang yung chat. Okay.
Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until
Soothing talaga ang boses niya.
I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found him.
Okay. Okay. Oh, proud na proud. Proud girlfriend. Charm. Ay! Iba si Donnie. Iba si Donnie Pangilinan. Nag-alay. Ang higpit naman ng yakap. Oy! Si Bella, si Donnie. Ang tangkad ni Donnie, no? Grabe.
And kami ni Belle, andun lang kami.
Kami? Kayo na nga! Chart!
Whatever you see, we're just real. And we don't really think about, we do this, we do that. It's more of like, being genuine, you know, with each other.
Salamat din kasi syempre ako rin naman.
Ano?
I wouldn't want to spend this journey with anyone else, and
Char
it's such an honor to be able to work with Belle Muñoz.
She's always gonna be my love team. To me, rin ako nakitang ibang gusto kong makasama kundi siya kasi
Talaga ba, Donnie?
siya yung favorite co-actor ko ever. So there are times, you know, I just wanna talk to her, like, walang cameras, walang shooting. So, bababa tayo, guys. Bababa ba?
Bababa. Bababa.
So, bababa.
Ano masasabi daw ni Belle na nag-vlog na siya?
Joke lang.
Siyempre, ako na mag-vlog for you. Supportive ako sa kanya.
Supportive girlfriend yan.
Tapos ngayon, may chance ka ulit na bumawi.
Ay.
Hindi ka pa rin nag-jacket. Bakit kaya?
Oo. Pakigay mo.
Friend ko siya ngayon. Wala akong pakialam. Dig, ang bato.
Ako yung battery niya na.
Bala ka. Oh, diba? Sino ka dyan? Kayong ano? Love team lang daw yan, ha? Char! Oh, utos daw ng management yun. Char!
Able to fit all of that into this.
Ang ganda ng vlog ni Donnie sa totoo lang.
Yeah, she was.
Si Belle ba walang vlog?
Give it to you. You made my heart beat who I am.
Ah, sa harmonization. Okay, what's next? What's next? Char!
Pag dumating na yung babae, I want her to feel like she deserves the world.
Hi, good morning!
Good morning.
Morning.
Winning to lose, basta siya yung mananalo.
Okay, fine.
Pero pag ikaw pwede.
Okay.
Opo, nakamati kaming bluff.
Oh, tinan mo. May sariling mundo sila. Char!
Hindi na matching.
Wow, flexing the arms. Love it.
Hindi na matching.
Hindi naman. Ang ganda ng damit dyan ni Belle.
Bel, kailan ka magla-live? Hindi ko nga alam dyan.
Try ko po within the week.
Sinabi mo yun,
Oh!
Sinabi mo yun.
Why you think I don't keep my...
Donnie! Ay! Nagbibitok si Donnie doon.
Ganda naman po ng muse nyo. Oo naman, sobra.
Oo naman, sobra.
Tsaka mag-volleyball na to next year. Volleyball. Ako naman mag-cheer sa kanya.
Grabe naman!
Ikaw naman yun ah.
Paano condition yun?
Paano pwede siya?
Mag-volleyball yan. I remember telling you right after it, okay na, done na, come on na. Pero ako pa rin, inside, I also needed to kalas. Ayoko nang ma-stress to.
Ay! Malapit na yun malapit na yun mag-kiss.
Sorry kakagising lang kasi ni Tink eh. Joke lang.
Inaasar niya. Bakit ka yung asawa nila? Ang lambing ng boss eh. Kaasar.
Thank you for being here tonight. It really means so much na nandito.
Ano ka ba? Para sa
Ay!
Ang dayo mo talaga. Ganon.
Ganon. Okay. Ganon.
Masasabi mo sa first ever game ni Donnie.
Oh, diba?
It's stressful, pero super
Stressful
Hindi mapaghiwalay naman anak ko. Bakit?
Ay! Kontingan talaga sila. Wala akong napanood na mga full video nito. Si Donnie kahit pawis parang ang sarap amuyin. Si Donnie. Saan si Belle? Oh! Bongga si Belle doon. Pangilinan! Oh. Oh my God, accounting talaga sila. Grand International. Oh my God! Nakakainis naman. Oh my God! Yes! Okay, what's next?
Gusto ko si Lola ang sumagot, si Lola. Lola, ano yung tatlong bagay na gusto kong gawin?
Yung holding hands.
Ano daw?
Holding hands daw.
Holding hands.
Holding hands.
Tawag tayo si Lloyd.
While walking.
Tawag tayo si Lloyd sa holding hands.
Sino pa kasalita? Ayun.
Tama ba, Dons? Tama ba, Dons? Tama, Lola.
Tama ba?
Tama,
Siyempre.
tama.
Wow.
Tama naman.
Tama, Lola.
Sabi ko lang yun.
For Donnie and Belle. For Donnie, how did Belle put color into your life? And Belle, how did Donnie put color into your life?
Ganda yan.
Just him being him. Him being Donnie.
There are times you will see colors that you haven't seen
Ay,
yet.
ang ganda.
And Belle is one of those colors that I've never seen yet.
Char! Okay. 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 Ay, tapos na! Ano ba yan? So, yeah, there you go, guys. That is our for today's video, the Don Bell TikTok compilation. Ang ganda ng edits, in fairness. Thank you so much na nag-send ito. So, yeah, there you go, guys. That is our for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next new upload. This is KJ Evelina Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!